Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Kia Sedona LX. This is an 8-passenger 4-door minivan in graphite. Under the hood you'll find a 3.3 liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, power sliding doors, and smart key system for easy access. But now why don't we head inside this Kia and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power sliding door buttons for both sides. This Kia does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, just press that button right there and the vehicle will unlock, and those fold-away mirrors will come out as well. Taking a look in the door, you have some nice storage along the entire side. Above that too, you got this nice little storage space and a nice little handle. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with light gray cloth seating, and on the bottom you do have your power seating adjustment buttons. But now let's hop inside. We're going to start this Kia. Push to start, engine start button, foot on the brake. Nice and easy. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you have these little buttons here, and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment display screen located in the center there. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right, you have this button right here will just allow you to navigate through your multi-information display. Like so, and this one underneath it will just help you scroll through all the various options. And while we're up here, just to show you, this Kia does have 41,010 kilometers on it. Last thing, on the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control settings right there. Now let's move on to our screen here. Right now we are on, if we go ahead and press phone.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
There you go. If we press radio, you have your standard AM and FM options, of course. This Kia does have a backup camera. You get those nice guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system. Nothing complicated, nice and simple. You got your temperatures for the front, and then you also got for the rear. Underneath you have your USB and auxiliary. Next to the shifter you have your 2 cup holders, and behind the shifter you have your driver and passenger heated seats. You have this nice little storage compartment with a 12-volt outlet and a nice little shelf up top right there. And last thing we're going to look at is on the passenger side is the glove box. Plenty of space, lots of room in there, and you also got this little one up top. Nice little shelf. Let's just close these right up. So before we head to the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. Just give that handle a nice little pull, and that power sliding door will open for you. Plenty of space in the back here. Behind the 2 front seats, you do have these nice little nets for some extra storage. 2 cup holders for those rear passengers. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just press that up and that'll give you access to that 3rd row seating right in the back. So to open up, all we got to do is just press this button right underneath here, and that lift gate will open nice and easy for you. Behind the 3rd row seating, you have this deep cargo space, and of course the 3rd row seating does go down. All you got to do is just pull this, and then you just push that right in. And that'll give you some more cargo space. And of course the 2nd row seating does go down as well, and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. Let's just take a look in a quick. Back here we do have some cup holders for those rear passengers. So to close up, you got this nice little handle. Just give this a little push. Taking a last look at our 2017 Kia Sedona. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 8-passenger seating, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and power adjustable heated seats. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.